You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this color. If you want to learn more confusing color names and English vocabulary, stay tuned. So let's break down how to pronounce this color. I know the spelling makes it confusing, but let's spell it this way. It'll make a lot more sense, right? How would you pronounce this word? Well, blue, a long oo sound. Blue. So just pronounce the U like a double O and ignore the E at the end. English pronunciation of this color, the color blue. Blue. It's easy once you know blue. And now you know, remember? Blue was this. Any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Blue. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.